Enabling Apple Pay for your small business website can enhance customer convenience and boost sales. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Check eligibility. Ensure your business meets the requirements to use Apple Pay. You need to have a compatible payment processor and a website that supports Apple Pay. Step 2. Choose a payment processor. Select a payment processor that supports Apple Pay. Popular options include Stripe, Square, and PayPal. Review their features and fees to find the best fit for your business. Step 3. Integrate Apple Pay. Follow the integration instructions provided by your chosen payment processor. This usually involves adding a few lines of code to your website and configuring settings in your payment processor's dashboard. Step 4. Test the setup. Before going live, conduct thorough testing to ensure that Apple Pay works correctly on your website. Make test transactions to verify that payments are processed smoothly. Step 5. Promote Apple Pay. Once everything is set up and tested, inform your customers that you accept Apple Pay. Update your website and marketing materials to highlight this new payment option. By following these steps, you can successfully enable Apple Pay on your small business website, providing a seamless payment experience for your customers.